Now let's proceed to alternate interior angles. So when you say alternate, somewhat puli-puli. No, that's an alternate. Interior means nasa loob. So let's say for example these are parallel lines cut by a transversal line. So this part here is what you call itong mga angles na to, tinatawag tong interior. So again, this is interior. So yung nasa again 3, 4, 6, 5 are known as interior angles or nasa loob. While 1, 2, 7, 8 are exterior angles. Now let's focus on alternate interior angle. So again, alternate interior, kabaliktaran, or shall we say puli-puli. So we have here for example 3, alternate niyan is 6 angle 6. Again, angle 3 is an alternate angle of angle 6. On the other hand, angle 4 is an alternate angle of angle 5. Pag sinabing alternate interior angles, they are congruent. So kung ano yung value sa angle 3, siya din ang value ni angle 6. Kung ano ang value ni angle 4, siya din ang value ni angle 5. Again, tawag natin dito is alternate interior angle. Again, 3 and 6 are alternate interior angles. Then 4 and 5 are also alternate interior angles. So let's say for example, sa 3 meron tayong 120 degrees. So as 6 as its alternate interior angle has also a measure of 120 degrees. So let's say 4 has a measure of 60 degrees. Then 5 as its alternate interior angle is also 60 degrees. Okay? So again, corresponding angles, alternate interior angle. Angle 3 is an alternate interior angle of angle 6, hence they are congruent. Angle 4 and angle 5 are alternate interior angle, hence they are also congruent. Parehas sila ng